So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Accenture off-campus drive 2022. So they are hiring for the entry level profile which is Associate System Engineer or SAE profile. So before discussing further about the eligibility criteria and how to apply and what are the various hiring process and all, so if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you will be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus and about the various preparation videos or the guides we upload. And also we have started uploading the videos related to the various technologies or the programming languages. And recently we have started uploading related to the SQL videos. You can see the SQL videos are there. So and also we'll be uploading various data science related and the Python related videos in upcoming days. So please subscribe so that you'll be able to regularly stay updated related to the off-campus and other technologies. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria first and about the roles and all. So this is the entry level profile of Accenture, as you all know, and the salary, as you know, they generally provide 4.5 LPA for this profile. It is fixed. And the experience required is 0 to 11 months. That means below 1 year of experience candidates can apply, because if you are completing 1 year of experience, you will not be like a entry level or the trainee level profile or position anymore. It will be like you will be senior one, like or you will be the permanent one, right? So they are hiring for the entry level position or the trainee position especially. And now let's discuss about the roles and other things. So the other things are same as of the previous hirings. So the skills required are here the understanding of ABAP and the HANA and CDS and other things, and the performance analysis and all, and also good experience and knowledge on configuration, customization of the Salesforce application and all, and good working knowledge in J2EE or the full stack development or the .NET and all. So if you see carefully, these are the various fields like .NET, it is different, and the J2EE or the full stack development is a different field, and also Salesforce related to the analytics, it's also a different field. So they are hiring for multiple skills or the technologies or the profiles are here, right? So based on your skills or the expertise or experience, you will be like deployed to the various projects. So if you are a fresher, then based on the availability or the projects, you will be getting the you will be deployed to the projects. So now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria for this profile. So generally BTech or MEMTech or MCA, MSc, for MSc only CSIT candidates are eligible, and for BTech any branch candidate can apply, like on the previously also the same thing or the same eligibility criteria they followed. And from 2022 year pass out or the batch candidates can apply. So in this eligibility criteria they have mentioned only 2022 batch candidates can apply, but in the registration process or the form you can register if you belong to some other year or the batch, because in the registration it will allow you irrespective of your branch or batch. So I would suggest you, if you belong to some other batch or year pass out, then you should also apply, because later when they start hiring for you for your batch, then you will be getting the notification or the some test invitation. And the MBA or the PG DM candidates are not eligible for this profile, because this is related to the IT profile only. And also the BTech, for BTech it should be complete 4-year course, and for MTech it should be 2 years. That means the full-time course they need. And should, as we discussed earlier, it should not exceed more than 11 months. Like maximum 11 months of experience is allowed, not more than that. Then these are things we need to you should take care of while applying for this position. So if you are interested, then you can fill all this registration form. So if you are new to this Accenture portal, so if you have applied for this position before, if you have gone through the process 6 months below, within 6 months, then you are not eligible for this position. And find out the job how exactly you found out, social media advertisement you can put, or the YouTube if it is possible, then you can put. Otherwise you can put others and all. Then you can provide your personal details and middle name, last name, and the university registration ID and all. And also like WhatsApp consent, if you need to, like if you want to get the updates related to this process and all in through your WhatsApp number, then also you can provide. Then also you need to provide your educational type, like undergraduate. If you see here, for the branch they have mentioned like from just a second, for year of pass out from 2019 to 2024, it is possible, but like I will suggest you to apply or register if you also belong to some other like batch, because in the eligibility they have mentioned 2022, but if you have not registered, then you can at least register. Then once you are done with that, then you can, like based on your details and all, you need to click on submit. Once you have submitted, you will be getting some confirmation email on your registered email address. And related to the hiring process, simply there will be one like written test, then also followed by technical and the HR interview general process. So we have already discussed about few like recently asked questions and all for Accenture. So if you have not like if you want to prepare for the Accenture off campus or on campus, the link is there in the description of this video. You can go through and you can watch the videos and you can learn, because this is a complete like preparation kit or playlist we have. I'll be putting the link in the description of this video. You can go through and you can prepare. So if you have any doubt regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. I'll try to answer to all your like comments and all. So thank you for watching guys, and all the best with your job search.